Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now this is a follow-up video from the crackling sound you can hear from the door. So previously those tubing that I've used appear to have fallen off, and then now I'm going to use the heat sink sleeve of about 1 inch length. And then what I did was I'm going to remove this. I put it down this metal, and then I remove this part, and then I lower this nut so that upper part here. So I've used the 6 mm diameter heatsink strip to cover up to here, and then now I'm going to apply fire. Okay, so that it would shrink and then close up the whole surface, so that there's no more clacking sound now. And I think this is a better solution than from the previous video. If this were your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned to my next video.